Did you know there's a place on Earth where lightning strikes almost every single night? It's called Lake Maracaibo in Venezuela. And here are 5 incredible facts about it. Number 1. It's the lightning capital of the world. It gets struck by more than 1.2 million bolts of lightning each year. That's almost 300 strikes per day. On some nights, you can see up to 280 lightning strikes per hour. That's one strike every 13 seconds. This phenomenon is called Catatumbo lightning, and it can last for 10 hours a night. Up to 260 nights a year. Sailors use this lightning as a natural lighthouse to guide their way for centuries. Scientists say the unique geography of the lake creates perfect conditions for non-stop lightning storms. So would you visit the place where lightning never sleeps?